Hello guys, I recently picked up the ANYCUBIC PHOTON M3 MAX, and I thought I would do some video footage of as I unboxed it and do the first print. You can see it comes boxed in a very large box with some aluminum bracing to protect it, which is really nice. There's just some very large zip ties on the bottom to hold it down, and then some side cutters to break it free. Here I'm just getting it free from the foam and the aluminum in the box and placing it on the little table I've got built. That's going to be its new home. Time for the peel. That build plate is massive. On to leveling the build plate. It's much the same as what we've seen in the past. You run it down kind of loose, hold it down just onto the leveling paper, and tighten up a few screws. Something that made me choose this printer was it's a lighter construction, so easier to move around should you need to. And they do that by having a regular plastic shroud, which you see here, but it goes on in two pieces, so it's not such a big enclosure to lift off every time you want to process a print. And I'm just showing you here that I added a little magnet to store my autofill system's cap when I don't have it in use. Now that we're unboxed and labeled, let's do our first print. And through the power of video editing, our print's all ready. My better half wanted a tree to hang jewelry from, and this was my first print. I skipped all test prints. I will say, with the print bed being so huge on this thing, you really do need a place to process when you're ready to process your prints. Toss it in the curing station. And we're done. Thanks for watching.